So a little bit about Clarity. We were founded in 2007 in Madison, Connecticut. We're still there today. Our print facility is actually down the street in Stratford, Connecticut. But a little bit about us, we are dedicated to healthcare communication. We have a healthcare engagement platform. We partner with over 100 healthcare clients and our health plans, and we have engaged with over 143 million members. Some of our clients are listed below. Just a small sampling, as I mentioned, we've got over 100 health plans that we service every day. As I mentioned, we are 100% dedicated to healthcare materials. So from clients to members, you name it, we can do it. They're 100% customizable. So from member onboarding, we can do ID cards, welcome letters, member kits, member guides, all the things. We can also handle your post-claim documents like EOBs, EOPs, and checks. And then, of course, your regulatory documents like 1095s, ANOCs, all of those fun things. Most recently, the M3P, Medicare Prescription Payment Plan, that went out late last year. We handled that with no problem at all. So additionally, we have correspondence outside of all of those norms that could be just about anything. As an example, renewal letters. So individual members that are on individual plans, we can do renewal letters and invoices for them, as well as your client groups. So whether you've got, a small group segment that you need to send renewal letters out to, or even your largest group. So all the things, if you can think of it, chances are we can probably do it.